you know that an application was secretly installed on your phone which scans your photos? In today's video, I'll tell you what this application is, why it was installed, and how to remove it if we don't need it. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Open up the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Here you can see an app called Android System Safety Core. Tap on it. This app checks our photos, and if you look at the permissions, it looks like this app doesn't have any permissions. If we tap on permissions, you will see no permissions allowed showing, but that is not true. Because if we tap on the three dots in the top right, then tap all permissions, we can see that this application have full network access and view network connections. This is necessary to check the images that we receive or send. And if you don't need this application, tap back again. Now tap uninstall. Then tap OK to confirm. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.